Yo, what's good? It's your boy Legit, and today we're gonna be going over extensions that you can add to your glide. The first extension that you want to do is gonna be floating. Yup. So the neck, the neck. All right. So today, the first extension we're gonna be going over is floating. So floating is basically staying at one level with your glide, but also using the push off the heel. And also when you glide, it's good to bring that back foot and let it slide too. Yeah. So that's the first extension. Yo, so a little bit of tips on floating that you could do as well is when you're gliding, you bring that back foot and you slide it across the floor, and then you bring your front foot and you also slide that, but you bring it up so you can push off of that foot. Then you bring this foot over here and then push off of it and bring that back foot and slide it over. When I use floating, for example, like sometimes I'll use it in a battle just so that I can maneuver across the stage, gain the crowd's undivided attention, and basically try to move in your dance. Alright, yo, so the next extension for glides is going to be toe spins. And basically with a toe spin, you really want to balance on your dominant foot. My dominant foot is my right foot. So basically you want to put all your pressure on your right foot or left foot and spin around off your left. Push off your left to spin around on the right if you're dominant on the right. Alrighty guys, what I just showed you was floating and toe spins. You basically want to incorporate them like whenever you're trying to move somewhere fast across the floor, or if you just don't want to stay in one place, which I think that many dancers also have a problem with too, is staying in one place. But we'll branch into that in further tutorials for sure. Hey, I got a sweet